Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm here with my grape slime, and this video is gonna be basically how I don't know how to say it. So 3 ways how you can make the best bubble popping with your slime. And I'll come right back. So guys, so let's basically start right now with the video. So so you have my slime, and now this is number first popping noise to do. I'm gonna quickly just put you up here. Let's have a good view. It's not. I'm so sorry guys, I'll put you back when I'm done. So there you go guys. I don't want to move that much because if I move it will fall. My GoPro is not, that's what I mean. It's super bad. So I'm just going to do the popping noise. I'm just putting it in my hand. Okay, so here's the first one. Just picking it up and just stretching it. Guys, I really wish I could have like a GoPro or something because here, I have an idea, guys. I'll use this. Put this right here. But guys, here I am, and it's not a really good angle. Here, I'll make you guys a little bit bigger. You guys can see a lot better. There's a first popping noise. Stretching it, pull it back down. That's the first one. I'm going to do it one more time. And I kind of like doing it. Just pull it down and just pull it together. And actually, I'm going to do a fourth one. Guys, I am so sorry for this because I am not trying to ruin it for you guys. Like, I want you to see my videos, but, like, it never happens. There you go. The third one, the second one, I'm going to have a fourth one. The second one is going to just be doing a normal swirl. Ready? So yeah, I'm going to do it one more time. Third one is just making a giant bubble and just popping it and squeezing it. So I'm going. So the fourth one, last one is saving the special one for last. So you know how use those things like the ASMR to use that and then just pull it and then you just let it go and then you just squeeze it. Well, you can also use your hand for that. Put your hand flat. I mean, not flat, like spread it like this. Like this, I mean. And then just slowly go up. Try not to slime to go with you. Here, wait. Let's just try that one more time. Guys, it won't work. It only works with like sticky slime. Like I know that sounds like weird, Isabella. Like, what are you doing? Yeah, it does. Do that. As you can see, I'm going to do that again. So yeah, I had really fun making those bubbles. But the one that I really recommend is it's just doing basically pulling it or whatever you like. I mean, mine is just like doing it like this. So here, let me get this. It's just I put it in my hand and I put it back in the ground. And this is a good poking noise. Peace out.